Scottsdale has some of the best hiking. We're going to show you the 4 best hikes, in our opinion. The hikes ranged from scenic to difficult and to extreme.
I'm living right here and now, and I don't wanna miss out. Is this what life's all about? The world is calling and I'm listening.
So today we're exploring the Maricopa Trail, and we are actually going on the scenic trail.
And isn't it amazing? Life can be amazing. I feel my heartbeat racing. I'll fly soaring ever higher. I can light my inner fire, and then we'll see what happens now. What happens now? And then we'll see what happens now. What happens now? Watch what happens now.
We like the views. We like the views in charcuterie. This is a fabulous place to have a picnic. This might be my favorite hike.
Yeah, I think this is my favorite hike so far. Even more so than the ones we did in Scottsdale before.
Yeah, not counting Grand Canyon, of course, because it's totally different. I know you're counting the Grand Canyon, but I'm not. I love the Grand Canyon, and I'm gonna go down in it. It's on my bucket list.
You go on your mule.
I'm gonna take a mule down to the bottom.
I'll be at the spa getting a massage, so I don't have to worry about it.
That'll be good.
Together, we'll remember.
So apparently, some bird puts its nest in the cactus. They look like little hummingbird nests, kind of, the way they're rounded with a hole, but I'm not sure what they are. This trail rated extreme difficult. And let me just say, yeah, it's a tough one.
You can see the city of Phoenix over in the distance there. And then into Scottsdale, excuse me. Okay, so we were up at the top and there's a young lady, probably 18 to 20 years old, and she was sitting on a rock, and her brother and sister, little guys, were patting her back, and she was crying, and mom was on the phone, and I think she had a broken ankle, so now literally the freaking cavalry has come out. We got the helicopter, we're gonna get around.
So we're out hiking this fantastic Gateway Loop trail. How are you feeling, Benson?
Here, yes. Yep, that's all free. What? Tighter than I thought it was gonna be. It's actually beautiful outside. It's probably 70 degrees.
You look like a Teletubby.
Trying to refrain from being sunburned out here in the desert.
Check out the rainbow.